Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm, Illustration 10. A and B contribute rupees 4 lakhs and rupees 2 lakhs respectively as capital. In that case, A and B is the partner of a partnership firms. A introduced 4 lakhs and B introduced 2 lakhs as a capital. Their respective share of profit is 3:2. So their profit sharing ratio is 3:2 is given. In that case, 3/5, 2/5. So 3/5 for A partner and 2/5 for B partner. Their respective share of profit is 3:2 and the profit before interest on capital for the year is 27,000. In that case, profit earned during the year is 27,000. From this 27,000 we have to provide interest on capital also. Compute the amount of interest on capital in each of the following situation. So different situations are given to you. Based on the situation, how you will treat the interest on capital, that you have to see now. Situation number 1. If the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital. Now we see here the partnership deed is silent regarding interest on capital. No information is provided regarding interest on capital. No information is provided in the partnership deed mean no interest on capital. No interest on capital will be provided. No interest on capital is provided to any partner. If no interest on capital is provided to any partner if the partnership deed is silent. If the partnership deed is silent. So you see here in the partnership deed, if the interest on capital is specified, mean you can provide the interest on capital to the partner. The partnership deed is not mentioned anything about interest on capital, mean the interest on capital will not be provided to any partner. So first question answer is no interest on capital is provided to any partner if the partnership deed is silent. Situation number 2. What is given? If interest on capital at 3% allowed as per the partnership deed. So what they are saying mean interest on capital 3% per annum you have to give. So you see here A partners interest on capital. What is the capital amount introduced? 4 lakhs. So 1 year the amount is utilized. They didn't give the opening year and the closing year also. Closing date also they didn't give. In that case, the amount is utilized for 1 year. How many percentage? 3%. So 4 lakh into 3/100. 20 cancelled. So 4 into 3, 12. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So 3 zeros added together. So 12,000 for A partner. The same way for B partner also we have to calculate for the amount of 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs into the same 3/100, 3%. 20 cancelled. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So 3 zeros added together. So what is the amount of interest to B partner? 6,000. Now we see here totally 18,000 we have to provide to the partner in the name of interest on capital. Available amount is 27,000. So with the earned profit amount 27,000 we can meet the partner's interest on capital. So interest on capital can be provided to A partner 12,000 and B partner 6,000. It is allowed. Then situation number 3. If the partnership deed allows interest on capital is 5% per annum. How much percentage? 5%. The same way A is equal to 4 lakhs into 5/100. 5%. So 20 cancelled. 2 zeros. Now you see here 4 into 5, 20. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Those 3 zeros you have to add it together. Then for B partner, how much amount? 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs into 5% is equal to 20. 5 into 2, 10. How many zeros left out? 3 zeros. Added 3 zeros. So the total amount you have to pay interest on capital to the partner is 30,000. Total amount you have to give interest on capital to the partner A and B is 30,000. For A 20,000, B 10,000. Total you have to give 30,000. But availed earned profit is 27,000 only. Available profit is 27,000. With this 27,000, you cannot meet the interest and capital to the partner. So interest and capital is not allowed to any partner because there is no enough profit to distribute the interest and capital to the partner. So this profit amount 27,000, will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio. You have to write it, my dear. The amount rupees 27,000 will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio. Capital ratio, now you have to calculate it. A is to B. So A amount is 4 lakhs. B invested capital amount is 2 lakhs. A is to B. 4 lakhs is to 2 lakhs. That case 5050. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. That is 2 is to 1. So the amount rupees 27,000. The profit rupees 27,000 is distributed among the partners. In their capital ratio. Capital ratio is 2:1. So here 3 situations are given. The 3 situations also we have seen. The first situation, no interest on capital is allowed since the partnership is silent. In the second case, 3% we have to provide interest on capital since we have enough amount to pay the interest on capital, so we can provide the interest on capital to the partner. The third situation, we are not having the enough amount to pay the interest on capital to the partner, so interest on capital is not provided to any partner. The profit amount 27,000 is distributed among the partners in their capital ratio. Capital ratio also calculated 4 lakhs is to 2 lakhs, that is 2:1.